In this video, I'll show you how to live stream on YouTube. So the first thing we need to do is go and download a free recording software such as OBS Studio. Now, if you don't already have this installed, you can just open up an internet browser, type in OBS Studio and press enter, and then click on this top website, obsproject.com. Select your operating system from the list, mine's Windows, and that should now appear in your downloads folder, and you can open up this installer. You can then just follow the steps on the screen to install this to your PC. Once it's finished installing, open up your start menu and go and open up OBS Studio. Now before we start, we need to add a source so we can go and start recording our screen and our gameplay. So to do that, you need to click on the plus icon, click on display capture, click on OK. Capture method, set this to automatic. Click on the drop down arrow next to display and go and select your monitor. Now press OK. Now you can also add other things here as well, such as webcams by clicking on the plus icon. You can click on video capture device, click on OK, and then you can just go and select your webcam from the list, and you can also add that as well. However, I'm just going to keep this simple and keep it as a screen recording. So now you should be able to see your screen in this window, and then we're going to click on settings. In the left hand side, click on stream, click on the drop down arrow next to service and go and select YouTube. Now click on connect account, and this will redirect you over to Google, and from here you'll need to sign in with your YouTube account and click on continue at the bottom. Now once you've authorized that, we can close out of this window. In the left hand side, go and click on output. Make sure the streaming tab is selected. Now make sure the output mode is set to simple. For the video bitrate, we're going to change this to 8000. The audio bitrate set to 160, then click on video encoder, and if you have a dedicated graphics card such as NVIDIA, then you can go and select H.264 and something like NVENC, or if you have an AMD card, you can also select that. Now, if you don't have a dedicated graphics card, then just choose Software X264. Click on Encoder Preset and go and select Medium from this list. Click on Audio in the left-hand side. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Desktop Audio, and this is where you need to select either your headphones or your speakers. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Mic and Auxiliary Audio, and then go and select your dedicated microphone. So mine is this Yeti stereo microphone at the bottom. Click on Video in the left-hand side, and go and select your base canvas resolution and also your output scaled resolution. Now I have mine set to 920 by 1080, which is kind of the standard size. Click on the drop-down arrow next to FPS and go and select 60, and then press apply and OK. So now you'll get this pop-up on the screen for YouTube chat, and this can be useful if you want to go and display all of the live stream chats in your stream. So you can see this preview window here, and it's currently displaying all of the YouTube chats. Now what we're going to do is come over to the right hand side and click on manage broadcast. Then go and give your broadcast a name and also a description, and this is going to be visible on YouTube, so make sure you fill out this accurately. Click on the drop down arrow next to privacy and set this to public. Is this video made for kids? I'm going to select no. You can then go and give your live stream a thumbnail if you choose, and then click on create broadcast. Now what you can do is go and open up the YouTube application, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and click on YouTube Studio. In the left, click on content, click on live. And now you should be able to find your broadcast. We can go and click on this, and here you can change all of the settings for your broadcast. You can also click on this view in live control room, and this is going to show you a live preview of your stream. So now what we can do is actually begin streaming by coming back over to OBS Studio, and you can simply click on the start streaming button down here. And once you've turned on start streaming, this is going to set you live on YouTube. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.